Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok Live Studio problem. So first things first, you just have to simply go to this icon right here, tap this one, and what you're going to do is you need to simply fix if your audio or camera not working. Basically go to settings, which is this one, and then go to microphone or camera and then allow access. You can just basically change whatever is needed right here. Make sure that you're using the correct microphone, same as the microphone you're using on your device, and also the camera. Once fixed here, then the next thing to do is you have to basically check your internet connection. So sometimes this is one of the reasons why you encounter problem. You have to make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. Ensure stable upload speed at least 6 Mbps for 1080p. Next, you need to uninstall and reinstall Live Studio. So go to Add or Remove, find Live Studio, and then uninstall this application. Go to their site and reinstall it again. Lastly, one of the reasons why this one isn't working is because you are not eligible to go live. You need to know TikTok requires 1,000 plus followers to go live for most regions. You must be 18 plus years old for live studio, and if you don't meet these requirements, the go live option won't appear. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.